here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my second update for Graveyard Project Pan. This was a project created by Emily, who is over at Emily and Max. It runs April 30th through October 31st. And there are two different categories, either Resurrection, which is something that you've panned in the past, or Collecting Cobwebs, which is something that is literally collecting cobwebs. So I have had three Resurrections in one, and I'll share that with you in just a second, and then two Collecting Cobwebs. So let's start with those. First was this. This is an e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting Powder. My goal was to use this 10 times, and I did. And I actually really like this. It's really pretty. It's like a champagne. It's really pretty. This may roll into a project for next year, although I think I have 92 highlighters on deck to pan. That is an exaggeration. Kind of. So yeah, really enjoyed that. Really loved the formula. Glad I got to play with it. So now I know that I don't need to declutter it, that I wouldn't mind painting this one day. It's really pretty. And then the other thing was this. This is the Color Icon Bronzer from Wet n Wild in Ticket to Brazil. I really liked this one too. It was a perfect color for me. I wasn't sure at first because it's kind of light, but I really love it. And I layer my bronzers anyway. I always mix one that is luminous with a matte one. So yeah, this is definitely one I would consider painting too. So success for the Collecting Cobwebs. The most exciting of this update is this. This is 3 of my blushes in one. This is one of the Revolution cream blushes in pink, one of the Revolution cream blushes in coral, and the Wet n Wild blush that is also like in Hustle and Glow or something like that. I had melted them all down, and my goal was to use this in this project. This was full, by the way, when we started. So, and it was a different color too. Clearly I didn't mix it well. This will definitely be an empty by the time I see you guys at the end of October. If I forgot to mention, updates are every other month. So we updated in June, we're updating now, and then the next video you see of this project will be the finale on October 31st. So we have 2 rolling out, and I'm rolling in 4, and all of them are Collecting Cobwebs. I don't really have anything that I could resurrect, so we're gonna go with this. So first, I'm gonna bring in 2 products from Wet n Wild. I have the Color Icon Bronzer in Sunset Strip, and then their highlighting Halo highlighter powder in Highlight Bling, which I haven't used at all. Have I swatched it? Clearly I've swatched it. So we'll swatch each side separately. That is very icy. Whoa. Oh, it's not too bad. And then I'll swatch them together. Okay, so that's the pink side, that's the white side, and that's them together. That's actually pretty. So my goal for these is going to be 10 uses. All of these products, the goal is 10 uses. And again, I'm kind of using this as a way to see if this is something that I want to keep and pan, or if it's something I want to pass along to a friend, project beauty share, etc. Next, the bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer in Sunset Striptease. I think this is luminous, maybe? I don't know. It's a little bit darker than the other one, but hopefully it'll work. Yeah, we'll play around with it. Again, 10 uses, and we'll see how we do. The last 2 products are actually lip products. So I'm going to bring in this. Is this a liquid lip or like a gloss? I'm not sure, but this is from the I Heart Revolution line. I think this was in their chocolate. Yeah, one of their chocolate. God, it smells just like hot chocolate. So again, it still smells good because it literally smells like hot chocolate. I just want to get some use out of this and see if it's something that I want to keep or if it's something I want to declutter. As of now, all of my lip declutters have been because I stank. it went in the trash. So I haven't, like, it hasn't been because of color or anything like that. It's literally me going through sniffing and throwaway, which didn't smell good. So that's the Revolution lip. And then I have this one from Flower. This is the Mix and Matte Lip Duo. So one side is a bullet lipstick that is matte. This is a beautiful color, by the way. These both came out of my new drawer. And then we have a gloss that you can put over it. And actually, all three of these would pair beautifully together. So this is the matte color, and this is the gloss color. So again, the three of these would pair beautifully. It's really, really pretty. So yeah, I am excited that I will have that blush done. That doesn't mean the actual blushes are done, because I still have 2 more before I feel like I can call that done. These 2 I haven't been touching because I wanted to finish that one first. This one's Pan That Palette. This one's Partners in Cream. We may just try to get some use out of both of them. So yeah, and that is in a different project. But yeah, so far so good. This is my first year participating in this project, and I've really enjoyed it. I love that it's 6 months. I love that I'm able to get some use out of products in my collection and make informed decisions on whether or not it's something I like and I want to keep. And again, if you watched my last declutter, I'm basically at the point now where I'm like, okay, can I see myself painting this product? That's also informed my my buying decisions. Can I see myself painting this product? So yeah, but that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to click the hashtag to check out all of the thousands of people who are probably doing this project. It's one that's very, very popular. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. If you missed it, this is going up a day late because I posted a Get Ready With Me video yesterday, talking about all the things that are going to be happening in the next couple of weeks. So be sure to hit the notification bell. That way you get notified in case I do have to take a break and I come back. But yeah, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm at Misty Pans. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.